chicken nuggets. Today we are going on a little vlogging adventure with my friend Beth. So we're going to like these falls. I'm actually wearing the same top that I was wearing the other day. Oh, I'm so unorganized. I went to do one thing and I do another thing, so I just don't understand like why I can't just focus this morning. I don't know what's going on. Alright, let's fucking go. Let's go, dude. Oh shit. I could have honestly gone. I'm so stupid. I got big red gum. Yum yum yum. I think it's normally an American gum, I'm pretty sure, because it's in those like candy shops where, you know, you import bloody candy from across the bloody country to get it in a fryer. But my god. Oh, Maddie got me onto this. We all know Maddie. If you've been with me for a while, you know Maddie. She got me onto this. I actually bought her like a whole packet. Delicious. Well, next time you see me, I'll probably be with Beth. That's where we're going with today. Beth, she's been in my vlogs before. I just had to come jump on here because it has said I'm in shorts and it's like a little bit cold this morning, but like it's still autumn, so it's not like too cold during the day. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. No, summer, autumn, winter. Yeah, so winter is coming soon. But it's starting to get fresher. But I'm in shorts because we're going for a hike and I'm in like boots and stuff. And we're going to take photos, so I just wanted to look a little bit nicer. So I got my other camera with me. But the petrol man goes, "Aren't you cold?" And I'm like, a little, but we're going for hikes, so I don't know what I want. Oh, for fuck's sake. Can I just get a ham, cheese and tomato toasty, please? Oh, actually no, just ham and cheese.
A ham, cheese toasty?
Yes, please.
Yeah, no worries.
That was the first one.
Is that all?
Yes, please.
Yep.
What would you like?
Can I get a medium hot chocolate and 2 hash browns,
And what were
please?
you after for the second one, sorry?
Could I get a medium hot chocolate with the second one?
And can you give me
Yes,
cheeseburger
please.
too?
Yeah, no worries. And 2 hash browns. Is that all for today?
And a cheeseburger, please.
And a cheeseburger in that one?
Yes, please.
Yep, no worries. Is that all for today?
Yes, thank you.
Awesome. The second order comes to $12.65. If it's correct on the screen, you're right to go forward.
Awesome, thank you. What is a cheeseburger?
Cheese toasty first.
Yes.
It's $4.50.
Sorry, girl.
Thank you.
There's just going to be a short way. Would you be able to take part on the side?
Sure. No.
Can you just chuck the chewy?
Yeah. I should probably check this out. Is that a bin?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't want to get out. Rivers.
Roads to Route 31, which takes 7 minutes. If you prefer to stay on the current route...
Gotta put me freaking bubblegum thing back on. Shiitake mushrooms, back me now.
Where the fuck are they? Okay guys, we're gonna do a little Khan mukbang. Mukbang, whatever.
Wait, which way do I
We
go?
got some hash browns.
Woo!
You're going straight. And I got a cheeseburger too. Wow.
What is this? Oh,
You need to steer.
Do I go left?
You go straight.
So I'm going the other way.
No, sorry, we're going that way.
Oh, we're still going. So we are going left.
Yeah, we're going this way.
So left.
Yes. We're going this way.
In 600 meters,
We're on the way.
Georgia P400 National Highway N31.
The world's colliding, and they could never tear us apart.
The only problem with country roads, they don't say the speed limit very often.
Oh. 30 minutes away. This is where we're going, if anyone wants to know. I still haven't figured out the camera. Excuse me, can you hurry the fuck up?
Like, does that mean I can go?
No. I think he's turning into his driveway. Just wait. Just wait. Bye.
800 meters, turn left to stay on Paradise Falls Road.
We are here. Oh, it's really bad filming. Absolutely stunning.
Literally, it's so nice. Whoa! I will get a workout. Going back up. Oh my god, you could easily just like fall down there.
Oh, look at this dude.
Oh, give me claustrophobic. Hold on, let's get a photo. Absolutely crazy. Look at these steps. I'm coming. I'm scared of heights. Gorgeous.
And right here, we have a perfect spot for rock climbing.
I feel like I'm in bloody Ayers Rock or something, you know? Just taking some selfies. Like I'm gonna just like fall on my face though, like, not gonna lie. We're kind of confused because this is like a dead end, but I don't think I'm going up there.
Going up there.
No.
I've been taking photos because this looks really cool. There's not really much of a waterfall. There's only like a couple of droplets. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Little droplets.
Trickle.
Time to go have some lunch. Goodness sake. Vertigo.
Life crisis.
I'm not going down. Oh gosh.
How is that?
That was not fun.
I was not looking down. No. So we've just conquered the very steep part of our walking track. And we're still alive and well. Oh, that looks very beautiful.
Oh no. Hold on, I'm just gonna die. God, that was
hectic. That was something else, mate.
Falling down. I was like, I knew if I freaking walked down, I would have fallen. So it's either me sliding down and falling. What's this dickwit doing?
It's so
Behind me. You nearly hit my car. Stupid Jeep driver. Water. I don't have corona. Why didn't I bring water, stupid idiot? You're on a hike.
A spare one? By any chance?
One eternity later.
Oh no, that was my bad.
Don't leave him.
I don't want him in there.
Oh. Leave him.
Please move.
Oh. At least save him and put him over somewhere.
He likes my drink. Oh, fuck me.
Oh no, get him out, save him, you bastard.
No, I'm gonna ask for a new drink. I ain't touching that. I don't want to get stung. I'm just gonna watch him die.
Don't they look delicious? Arancini balls.